Hello and welcome to another update video about oil. Here it's basically an unchanged scenario. I've made a change to the count, but it doesn't impact the outlook at all. It actually only changes here the positioning of the A wave. So before that I had the A wave here. Now I've put it here, because we start to see an attempt here to break to the downside of our, you could say, head and shoulders pattern that we talked about, or triangle pattern. My understanding is that this B wave was possibly a contracting triangle or just an ABC in itself. There are different ways of counting this, but it makes sense to have the A wave down here at the $75 level, so that the A wave unfolded as a leading diagonal. And this here is a B wave, and then we could get a C wave to the downside to finish off this larger WXY structure. I mean, there are different ways of counting this, but either way, this trend or this correction in a wave 2 looks like a more complex correction. Yeah, it's not a classical ABC. So I count it as that WXY pattern, and so far it's working out. You know, we have so far not called a bottom. In fact, it just made quite a long sideways correction here in a range in this B wave, and seems to be breaking down now finally. As you know, my forecast here is further downside. Of course, you know, there are always different ways to get there, but for me the trend is down. I would change my view, at least short term, if we break above 86.93. That has been the signal level that I also mentioned in previous videos, but we haven't broken above that level. So the primary view plays further plays out further to the downside, and it just took a while here to get this all sorted between, December and March. This has now moved sideways, just basically nothing happened, which is also why I didn't really cover this chart so often, because literally it's just been moving sideways. There were a few people who already panicked that, oh, the trend it's not working out as you said. But the thing is, it just moved sideways, nothing happened. Yeah, this was clearly corrective, so not impulsive at all to the upside. So, I mean, let's call it in the worst case, you would have seen an extended B wave, but still that wouldn't have changed the trend. So the trend is further down, no reason to panic. It's all going according to plan at the moment, and this can swing around a little bit. In fact, we've just reached support again. This support is at around $75. Here saw the previous A wave low. If we break below that level, then I think it can start to roll, okay, and quite a bit actually. I would expect it, and we can make further calls about this structure to the downside further, and further targets as soon as we see the first pullback in the C wave, yeah, because eventually what we want to see in the C wave is a 5-wave move. So basically something like a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. So looking at this, that would give us sort of what we want to see. And if we have the first 1-2 setup complete, then we can calculate the target for the third wave and so on. I would currently be looking here at something around $50, $55 to end this correction, but it could very well go a bit deeper. Okay, that's my update about oil. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.